welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I'm doing a first impressions. We are trying out the Florence by Mills skincare. Now I've got my hands on the skincare because you guys know I'm a skincare addict, and I wanted to see what I thought of it. I've seen this all over Instagram. I've seen people rave about it. I actually haven't seen any reviews, but I've seen it everywhere. Like, I've seen it advertised everywhere, and so I wanted to try it out for myself. So here are my first impressions. If you want to see what I thought of these products, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this packaging is absolutely bomb. I love the purple with the white. I love the kind of purple pastel-y theme that's going on. What I'm going to do is I need to remove this cake. It is bedtime, but I don't want to just use a wipe. I want to treat my skin well, and you guys really wanted to see this review. Like, you really wanted to see this review on my Instagram, so I'm going to share it with you here. Here is the full review. I'm going to start off with the Florence by Mills. This is the Magic Micellar Cleansing Gel, and it says to use as a makeup remover, apply to dry skin and wipe off with a tissue. I'm going to apply it onto my makeup, and then I'll just use my cleansing pads to remove the excess. Okay, really want to give you guys a review, but I want to wash this off. I just want to quickly say that this gel, I thought was going to be thicker in consistency. It's actually a lot more runny than what I thought. It seems to have really melted the makeup away, but it's not an oil, if that's what makes sense. I personally don't like doing like gel oils around my eyes because I am a contact wearer. I prefer like a micellar water, which I don't believe she has in the range. But I'm just going to quickly go and wash this off. I wouldn't even take a tissue to this. I would literally wash my face. So I'm going to go and do that, and then I'll come right back to you. Okay, not going to lie to you guys whatsoever. I thought it was my issue because I'm obviously filming. It takes a little bit of a while to get off. Go to the bathroom, wash it off. So by the time I got to the bathroom and I was trying to wash it off, the makeup in its state had set. It had set and locked down. This, if anything, is a really good locking spray or locking gel. It had locked it in. I couldn't move it. You know when you need something oil-based to kind of give it a bit of slick? That's what happened. So I thought, okay, right, let me put on a little bit more of this Magic Micellar Cleansing Gel. Let's pop it on, and then I'll try and wipe it off. And that sort of worked, but it kind of, I don't know, I don't like doing that. I wiped it with a towel, not a tissue. That might be the case. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I didn't like doing that. I didn't like the feeling on my skin. And also, it didn't take it all off. Like, you can see that I've still got patches of makeup around my eyes, which is super, super annoying because there isn't like a micellar water for me to go over and wipe the excess away, but I still feel a little bit dirty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with another round of the micellar gel, and then hopefully wipe it on a towel and it will come off. Guys, I'm a bit seriously real with you. My eyes are burning a little bit, and I'm not sensitive. I do a lot of skincare. I'm not really sensitive. The skin around my eyes is burning a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead, not give myself any more torture. It may just not have worked for me. If you've tried it, leave me your reviews down below, leave me your comments. I've still got some lipstick marks from the hearts that I had, and I've still got mascara. So I'm just going to go ahead, use a gentle micellar water, take this off. Guys, just a super quick disclaimer. I haven't watched Stranger Things. I'm not biased because I've watched it. I've not actually read any reviews. I just know that I've seen this a lot on Instagram, and I asked you guys if you want to see a full review. I've taken my makeup off, like the excess, and all of this has come off, as you can see. So I don't know if I was using that wrong. I think it would probably be good as a face wash if you didn't have makeup on, but if you've got a full face, like a full beat of makeup. I had pink lipstick, like in liquid form lipstick, hearts on my nose, which were difficult to remove. I had eyelash glue, I had mascara, I had all of that, and it kind of was like I was using a face wash as a makeup remover. That's what it felt like. So now I feel a lot better once I've gone over with the micellar water that's taken it all off. For reference, I know this is a Florence by Mills skincare tutorial, or skincare review, but I've used the Vichy, and I swear by this. It's a waterproof eye makeup remover, but I just use it all over the face, and it is so good. You shake it up and it takes everything off. So that is everything that is come off. Nonetheless, guys, that is just one product in the line. So next I'm going to move on to the Florence by Mills. This is the Get That Grime Face Scrub, and I love face scrubs. So it says, and I'm going to just follow the instructions, massage onto wet skin in circular motions, rinse thoroughly, and you can use 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm just going to rinse my face to start off with, and then or dampen my face, and then I am just going to apply this in circular motions. Okay guys, the face scrub is lovely. It's got tiny beads in it. It's not too harsh, but it's not too gentle that you can't feel it. It feels like you're just polishing your skin, which is what I like. And I'll tell you guys what my skin feels like once I've washed it off, but I like the feeling. It feels like something's working. It feels like it's cleaning my skin and taking all the dirt out. Okay. Really like that face scrub. My skin feels so fresh. Like if I was just gonna put eye cream, moisturizer, or just moisturizer and go for it, I would be happy because my skin feels super clean. It doesn't feel, I don't feel like my skin's dirty after all the makeup that I had on. I feel like it feels fresh. Yeah, really nice. I would recommend that. Next, I am really excited. This is the Florence by Mills. I don't know why I keep saying it because all of this is from Florence by Mills. This is the Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. This is everything that I've seen on Instagram. I've seen everyone use this and I've been dying to try it. Oh, I've been dying to try it because it's so goopy. It's pink. I just want to try it. It's a peel off mask. It's pretty fun and I love trying new skincare. It's a little bit pricey. I believe when I saw it in Boots it was, I think it's £34, which is pricey. But what I'm going to do is it says apply a thick, even layer to clean skin, avoiding hair, eyes and lips. Let mask dry for 20 to 30 minutes and gently peel away. I don't think you can do a peel off mask once you've done an exfoliation, but I'm going to do it anyway because I want to try it out. So let's go ahead. I'm going to apply this mask. Let's apply a thick layer and then let it set for 20 to 30 minutes. Now that I've got the mask on, a little bit tricky, bit thick, sticky, but it's just super fun and I love fun skincare. I don't like the boring, bland white mask, clay mask that you get. I love fun skincare because I try a lot of it. This one's super fun. I love the colour of it. I love the thickness. I love that it's super stretchy and it also tingles a little bit. So we want to make sure that it does definitely work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit now and I'll be back with you guys when it's dry. Okay, I'm back. I'm not going to lie, it took a little bit longer than expected. It took about 40 minutes. I think I went a little bit too ham on the mask, but it's definitely, I don't know if this bit's dry. I'm pretty sure it's all dry now. As you can see, it's sort of like peeling off as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the mask. Let's just give this a moment because I know it's going to feel super good. Okay, so it's a shame that I couldn't get the mask off altogether. It was mostly dry and it was just these side panels that are still a little bit wet. I wasn't going to wait an hour for a mask to dry, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash that off. Okay, so overall thoughts on the peel off mask. It feels really refreshing. Do I feel like you need that peel off mask in your life? Probably not. If I'm going to be honest with you, probably not. It feels like the Boscia peel off mask. It feels like a peel off mask, how it feels super clean. I don't actually have like whiteheads or blackheads on my nose, touch wood, but yeah, I did touch wood, but if you did, then I'm pretty sure it'd probably peel them out or take them out. I feel like people with oilier skin that have bigger open pores, that would work amazing on, but just for me personally, I love hydration. I love sheet masks, and peel off masks are long as well, so if you want to do it, you like peel off masks, it's a nice one. Do you necessarily need it? It's up to you. It's up to you. It's nice. It's nice. Next, I'm going to move on to the Florence by Mills. This is the Swimming Under the Eyes gel pads. And these are super cute. I've actually tried them already. I tried them earlier on today. They're super cute, really refreshing, just really nice. And I like everything about them because I do like eye gels. Okay guys, now that it's been 5 minutes, I'm just going to remove these eye gels and then also I'm just going to rub the excess serum in to my eyes, underneath my eyes, and massage that in. Love them, they're super cute, super cooling, really refreshing. My eyes feel hydrated, but I do have the Look Alive eye balm and I'm excited to try it. So I'm going to pop this bad boy on. It says using cooling metal tip, apply directly to under eyes, gently pat into skin with fingertips. The eye balm, really, really nice. It is a little bit lighter in consistency. Obviously because of the applicator, I suppose the way in which the tool is, it needs to be a little bit more runny as opposed to thick in a pot. I love cooling tip eye balms. I like the fact that brands are doing that just because it feels so nice, especially after them eye gels. It feels really nice. So I like that a lot. Of course, I'm only telling you as a first review. It feels cooling, it feels hydrating. Then I have a moisturiser. I've got the Florence by Mills Dreamy Dew Moisturiser. So I'm going to pop this on to my face and massage it in. Okay, so I would say that all of the products work really nicely together. I don't know what it is, whether it's the fact that I've done a peel off mask, that everything feels so like minty fresh. I haven't actually spoken about scents. It's probably just because I'm not a big person on smell. Smells don't really affect me. But if you wanted to know, it's all quite, it's all scented, but it's all quite got a very subtle scent, like a fresh scent other than the peel off mask. That did have a strong scent, but that doesn't faze me at all. Just feels really fresh. It's got a little bit of a glow. It's nice. I really like thick moisturisers. It's not a thick one. If you're someone that likes gel moisturisers or lightweight moisturisers, you'll like this. If you're someone that likes really, really rich and thick nighttime moisturisers, it may not be for you. This one's a really good one for daylight. I'd pop this on and then pop my makeup on top. I'd probably use something a little bit thicker for the nighttime. But it's really nice, really refreshing. My skin just feels really, really fresh. And then last but not least, I'm going to try the Glow Yeah lip oil for my lips. I love the packaging of this. I just think it's super, super cute. So I can't wait to try this. I'm going to pop on a little bit on my lips and then just massage it over. It's just a lip oil, so it's going to hydrate them as well. Yes, 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 yes. Definitely love the lip oil. I'm a big lover of the Clarins lip oil and it feels sort of like that. I don't feel personally like it's got a shade to it. No, I don't feel like it's got a shade to it. It's just a really nice lip oil. It keeps them hydrated and makes them look nice and glossy, but without the sticky feeling. And that, guys, is it for this video. I wanted to do a full review, first impressions on the Florence by Mills skincare. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like these kind of videos? Do you want me to do more? What do you want me to test next? Let me know down below. I had so much fun. I would say overall my skin just feels super fresh. Now I can feel like, I don't know if it's the peel off mask, but it just feels a bit tingly. My skin feels minty fresh. I do like the products. Do I think you need all of them? Absolutely not. There are certain things like the peel off mask that are really nice. The eye gels are really nice. The eye balm, the lip oil. So I definitely like things in the line. Do you need it all? Of course you don't. But it's nice to have, especially if you're a Stranger Things fan. I know a lot of you guys are. Then you might want to pick up a few pieces. And I'm going to sign out here. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I upload content there every single day on my main feed and also on stories. I am very active on stories. So if you guys want to see what I'm up to, follow me on there. I love you guys so very much and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.